Hi guys, it's Rhonda. I just wanted to shoot a really quick motivational video for you today about the missed opportunity. And it's the certain time frame that a door is open, and that's what we were told today, that there's a time where the door is open and there's we missed the door of the missed opportunity, and it was a half an hour time frame. So of course I was a little bit perturbed because it was something that we just did not know, and it was information that if you ask a ton of questions, you find out things that you don't know. And I could go on and on about that, but I always take away from every experience something that I can learn. And when she said you missed the door of opportunity, I was like, wow, how many times have we missed doors of opportunity? And so, if you're really close to me, I pray this prayer that God, if it's not for me, don't even let it get to the curb of my house. Not let alone the door, but don't let it get to my curb. And it's for me. Then open up the doors for the things that you have for me. But I just thought that that was just a great message, and I wanted to share it with you, that maybe you're pondering school or business opportunity that you just are unsure about, that you don't have enough skills, you don't have enough time. We can come up with so many excuses. I just wrote a blog about not having enough, or making so many excuses, and um, we're just putting ourselves in the way of what our purpose is. So I just wanted to shoot this, that if you have anything that is at the door and you're about to miss just a half an hour of a missed opportunity, imagine you can have a lifetime of trying to get back to that opportunity. So don't miss your opportunity today. Tap in, pray about it, think about it. That's what we say all the time. And be encouraged, be blessed on purpose, and take care.